Holly, hello, ho, 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 ho. I'm Refashionista Sheri. We are going to get started with a look back at some of my favorite holiday makes.
Here's my oldie but goodie, scrap busted, not so ugly Christmas sweater. Now, all of these tutorials are available on my blog in my Handmade Holidays Index. Oh, and next up, we have this absolutely super swingy tablecloth skirt. It is so comfortable to wear too, and it's so easy to make. Speaking of easy to make, grab yourself a red velvet t-shirt, add some faux fur trim, and you have a groovy Santa top. My upcycle DIY holiday dress is always one of my favorite things to wear, and I love pairing it with my Christmas tree headband too. Here's another groovy scrap busting idea. Why not transform yourself into an elf and create an adorable festive blouse? I totally love using tablecloths and sweaters to make dresses, and this holiday dress is just perfect. Plus, it also has one of my DIY wrap belts, and that one's a little bit spicy. I transformed a thrifted tree skirt into an absolutely fabulous me skirt. This is so much fun to wear for the holidays, plus it's cozy too. And last but certainly not least is my upcycled, refashioned holiday jumpsuit plus my Christmas tree bauble earrings. Find all the tutorials linked below.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.